This video, I'm gonna teach you how to crouch or crawl in Arsenal Mobile. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you might be aware, Arsenal Mobile does not have a dedicated crouch or crawl button. Because of this, you need to use an alternative method to actually do it. So you will have to pull out your knife, run, and then jump. Right before hitting the ground, you need to switch weapons, so something like this. And if you do it properly, you will be crouching. Now, as long as you don't switch weapons again, you will stay crouched. So once again, you pull out your knife, you run forward, jump, and right before hitting the ground, you switch weapons. And as you can see, you will be crawling. So you can tell by the speed that I'm walking. And you will be able to stand up when you switch weapons or jump again. So all that you have to do is pull out your knife, run forward, jump, and then right before hitting the ground, you switch weapons, and you will stay crouched. And as long as you don't jump again or switch weapons, you will be able to stay like that for however much you like. This will work with any weapon, so as long as you pull out your knife, jump, and then switch weapons again, you will be able to crouch or crawl in Arsenal Mobile. It is unfortunate that they don't have a dedicated button because it would make this much easier, so keep that in mind. As it stands today, if you want to crouch, you need to do it like this. You pull out the knife, jump, and right before hitting the ground, you switch weapons. It is going to work with any primary weapon as long as you do it properly, so I recommend going into a sort of empty server and just practicing until you get the timing down, but it isn't hard to learn. If you encounter problems while trying to do this, make sure that you aren't pressing the option to switch weapons too early or too late. You have to do it right before you touch the ground. I hope I was able to help you on how to crawl in Arsenal Mobile. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.